Welcome back for example 3 of week 2. The first two examples we focused more on internal angles, and now we're going to take a look at exterior angles. So one little fact that we are definitely going to need to use today is exterior angles will always add up to 360 degrees. So no matter what shape it is that we're looking at, exterior angles will always add up to 360 degrees. So we're going to do an example together. Let's see if maybe this will work better. All right, so we have this shape here, and so we want to figure out what these x values are. Now, I said that when you add up all of these, they will always equal 360 degrees. So we're going to write an equation. We're going to start with 360. 360 equals, now we're going to just go around the shape and add them all together. So we're going to start with the x. And then we have 100. And then you had a 30. Then we have another x. And then plus 130. So all I did was go around the entire shape and add up all the pieces and have it set equal to 360, because it will always equal 360. So now we're going to combine our like terms. So we're going to combine our two x's. So we're going to have 2x. And we're going to combine our regular numbers. So we're going to do 100 plus 30 plus another 130. And so you get 260. And this is still equal to 360. So 360 is going to equal 2x plus 260. And our goal is to get x by itself. So the first thing we're going to do is start moving the 260 over. Since it's a positive 260, we are going to subtract 260 from both sides. And so then you're left with 100 equals 2x. 100 equals 2x, but we just want x. We do not want 2x, so we have to divide away the 2. And so 100 divided by 2 is 50. And those 2's cancel. So 50 equals x. And that is your final answer. So just a fun fact to remember is that exterior angles always add up to 360. So we always start with 360. From then we looked at our shape and we took all of the numbers from the outside, added them all up together in one line. Then we combined our like terms, so we combined the two x's. We combined the other numbers to get 260. We want to start getting the x by itself, so we have to move over the 260, so you subtract that. And then you're left with 2x, but we just want 1x, so you divide away the 2, and x equals 50. There are 3 of these that I would like you to try, 7, 8, and 9. So go ahead and hit pause, try those, and then unpause, and you can see if you are correct. We're going to start with number 7 here. So they all add up to 360. We took all 4 pieces, put them next to each other. 180 and 110 equals 290. We brought down our x. We want to get the x by itself, so we subtract 290. In this case, x is going to equal 70. All right, if we take a look at number 8, we have it equal to 360 because no matter what shape it is, it always equals 360. Took all 5 of the angles, put them in one line. We had x and x, which came together as 2x. 83, 47, and 70 came together to make 200. We subtracted the 200 away to get the x's by itself. And then we're left with 2x. So you divide both sides by 2, x equals 80. Now we're going to come down to the last one right here, number 9. So all of the exterior angles equals 360. So now, since this one has a box means 90 degrees. So this is also 90 degrees right there. So I started with the 90. Then we have 6x plus 4, and then 8x. So we got to start combining our like terms. So the 6x and 8x come together to make 14x, and the 9 and the 4 come together to make 94. We want to get the x by itself, so we subtract away the 94. You're left with 266 equals 14x, but I just want 1, not 14. So you divide both sides by 14, and so x equals 19. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email, message me on Schoology, or reach out to me on my Google Voice account. But this would be a great time to start working on your homework and let me know if I can do anything to help you. Have a wonderful day.